Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a bike check on my Marin Alpine Trail 8 custom build. It's the 2019 model with an aluminum frame and rolls on 29-inch wheels. I've got a full DD cockpit with black label bars, a copperhead stem, and knuckle duster grips. Slowing me down are Shimano XT Dior 2-piston brakes with 203mm TRP rotors in the front and 180mm in the back. There's a wolf tooth dropper remote for a One Up Components V1 adjustable dropper and a WTB Volt saddle. It's got a super reliable SRAM GX Eagle drivetrain with Truitive descendant cranks. E13 TRS carbon rims and TRS hubs, super good engagement and great sound. I've got a tubeless setup front and rear with Schwab Magic Mary and Hands Damp. Up front there's a RockShox Lyric RCT3 170 mils with adjustable travel to 160. Out back is a Fox Factory Float X2 with climb switch. That's all for now. Thanks for shredding with me, and I'll see you back next week.